Hello everyone, welcome back to Bunch of Opportunities. Today I'm going to share one professional program in 2025, which is BRAC Young Professional Program. Become the leader change that needs. And again, welcome to the Bunch of Opportunities, your ultimate hub for discovering the best opportunities. What if your first job didn't just build your career, but also change lives? Today, we are diving into BRAC Young Professionals Program 2025, which is an incredible opportunity for recent graduates and early career professionals who want to become the leaders that international development actually needs. So stick around with bunch of opportunities. We'll cover everything from eligibility and benefits to the application process and expert tips to stand out. Let's talk about the fellowship, what is all about. Here is the thing, this is not just another graduate program. BRAC's Young Professionals Program is 1 year immersive journey where you will work on the ground, face complex social challenges, and lead change from the inside out. Whether it's working on health, education, road safety, or climate action, you won't just observe, you will do, learn, adapt, and grow. BRAC has been redefining development for 50 plus years with presence in 14 countries and partnerships that reaches over 145 million people. So, this is your chance to join a movement that listens deeply, builds locally, and acts globally or internationally. So, now let's talk about the eligibility. So, who can apply? Fresh graduates or young professionals, and you must have at least a bachelor's degree from a recognized university, and you don't need any formal experience. But what they're looking for amongst the participants or applicants is curiosity, empathy, resilience, willingness to learn and lead the team and the community, and evidence of leadership through volunteering, social work, or organizing events. And they also love resilient people. Benefits, like when it comes to benefit, the moment you know the benefits of the program, which will motivate you for the application. So, what's in it for you? So, let's talk about the perks. You will have meaningful and real world impact, and you will have competitive benefits, including bonuses and insurance. And you will have the coaching and mentoring from the industry led experts, a workshop that values your growth, not just your output. And you will also get to explore roles across various tracks, say, for example, social development, health, water and sanitation, communications, finance, HR, procurement, social innovation labs, social enterprise, BRM, and you will find your fit and maybe even redefine what leadership looks like. After got to know about the program, what is all about, eligibility and the benefits, let's talk about how you can apply. What are the application process? Here's how to apply. At first, you have to visit the official BRAC careers portal, which I'll attach in the description. You'll fill out the online application with your details, and you have to share your story. It's, it's not just copy paste a generic CV, it's just telling your story about your life, about your academic, about your experiences as well. And if you get shortlisted, you will go through multiple stages, including interviews, possibly assessments, and those who are the finalists undergo their background check. And for the information, the job location will be in Bangladesh. It could be in anywhere in Bangladesh. and only shortlisted candidate will be contacted. And one more thing, this opportunity is only restricted in Bangladesh or Bangladeshi nationals. Deadline for applications has not been announced yet, but you have to make sure to follow BRAC's official website and their LinkedIn page to stay updated. And I'll drop a link in the description as soon as it's live. And here are some tips for a successful application that you can take into consideration. Tip number one, don't be afraid to talk about personal challenges. Resilience is a big plus here. Show real examples of leadership. Maybe you ran a campaign, started a student initiative, or led community outreach. Tip number three, reflect on how this opportunity fits your purpose, not just your career plan. So you have to reflect how this opportunity could fit in your academic or professional life, not just about your career plans. So, if you're ready to build with communities, learn by doing, and lead with heart, this is your call to action. And head to the BRAC website, preparation your application, and go for it. And if you like this information or like this video, if it helped you, subscribe to Bunch of Opportunities for the latest on fellowship, internships, and global career breaks. Drop your questions or share your experience in the comments. Let's build a supportive community right there. And thanks for watching. Remember, the world needs leaders who are not afraid to get their hands dirty. Leaders like you. Catch you in the next video. Until then, stay curious, stay driven. Thank you.